Let us rejoice and be happy this Ganesh Chaturthi. Hi, I am Manisha Astrologer. Today's the festival will begin on Ganesh Chaturthi, which is falling on 31st August this time. However, the Ganesh Chaturthi Tithi will fall between 30th and 31st August. The Tithi time will begin at 3:33 p.m. on 30th August and will last till 3:22 p.m. the next day this year. Ganesh Chaturthi celebration will be starting from 31st August 2022. Also known as Vinayak Chaturthi, it is a 10-day long festival. Ganesh Chaturthi, also called Vinayak Chaturthi in Hinduism, 10-day festival marking the birth of the elephant-headed deity Ganesha, the god of prosperity and wisdom. How can we celebrate Ganesh Chaturthi at home? People celebrate this 10-day long festival with great grandeur and enthusiasm. Ganesh Chaturthi is celebrated as the birth anniversary of Lord Ganesha. Decorate your home with flowers and lights. Use lighting, so many types of lights designs, and with decorate your home with rangolis. Use diya and candles, etc. And use incense, sticks and itra, etc. So, Ganesh Chaturthi, Ganesh Puja. May Lord Ganesha grant you internal bliss in the same way that rains nourish the earth. Thanks. Happy Ganesh Puja. धन्यवाद.